Hello children, welcome to the third video of the rise of Hitler after Second World War. Means when Second World War get over, the whole world came to know about the Hitler's crime against humanity. Children, you won't believe under the shadow of Second World War, Hitler did mass murder or genocide of selected groups of innocent civilians of European people. If you wanted to know in detail, then you should watch my all videos related to the rise of Hitler. The act of Nazi German states affected many countries, communities and people before, during and after Second World War. Actually, Germany attempted to exterminate several groups of peoples whom he considered as subhuman or undesirable by Nazi ideology. These peoples were Jews, you can see Jewish people, Gypsies people, and colored people. This mass murder of killing was stopped by the combined efforts of the wartime Allies forces, which I have explained you. Allies, in Allies, there were England, France, America, and Russia. After the defeat of Germany, then only all these facts of genocide murder came out. Now, children, question arise. Why it was done by Hitler in Germany? Do you think the crime that Nazi committed was linked to a system of belief or it was a set of practices? For this, then we have to see Nazi's ideology or the Nazi's worldview. Then only everything will be clear to us. If you see first point, according to the Nazi ideologies, there was no equality between people but only racial hierarchy. Actually, Hitler racism was borrowed from thinkers like Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer, whereas these thinkers' theory was on evolution of species. But Hitler and politicians used their theory to justify the imperial rules over conquered countries or who were defeated in the war. Nazi's argument was simple: the strongest race should survive and the weak one would perish. See Hitler's ideology and mentality. To implement his ideology, the Nazi began creating an exclusive racial community of pure German by physically eliminating those who were considered undesirable. So, to nurture and to establish pure Aryan race, Hitler became obsessed with the idea of a perfect German race, Aryans. For Hitler, the ideal Aryans was blonde, blue-eyed, and the tall. Means he only wanted to see Aryans in his countries, while Jews were located at the lowest rung, and all other colored people were placed in between Aryans and Jews. Overall, if we see, Hitler considered the Aryan race was the finest and the pure race. It had to retain its purity, had to become stronger, and should dominate the world for this. So, for this, Hitler wanted a society of pure and the healthy Nordic Aryans in the German society. Jews, Gypsies, blacks, Russians, Poles means people of Poland, even certain Germans and abnormals, they were considered undesirable. Means he don't want to see handicapped and crippled people in his country. The other aspect, if you see last point, the other aspect of Hitler's ideology related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living space means he believed that new territories had to acquire for pure Aryan settlement. So to acquire more land and territory, Hitler chose war and get involved in it. So in the establishment of the racial state in Germany, because it was clear now he wanted to establish a pure German means Aryan people in his country. As soon as now Hitler came to power in 1933 when he became chancellor, he quickly began to implement his policies and dreams to establish a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. So Hitler from 1933 to 1938 He terrorized, pauperized, and segregated the Jews, compelling them to leave the country or they were sent to the concentration camp. You can see Jewish people in this image where they were forced to work and starve without food. Means here in concentration, without giving 3 times meal, they were forced to work whole day. Moreover, if you seek it carefully, means people living in special area, it was known as ghettos. Means they were forced to live in a particular area which were called ghettos. It is being said that Jews were the worst sufferer during the Nazis rule. So then in 1939, when Germany invaded Poland, then Poland became the laboratory for this experimentation, or you can say Hitler's experimentation, and Auschwitz was the center of genocide. So in this camp, if you see in this camp, you are seeing Jews' condition became more worse and pathetic. Moreover, Jews were considered undesirable and had no right to exist under the euthanasia program. Means he justified the mass killing of the Jews in the name of euthanasia program. Then from 1939 to 1945, as you all know, the Second World War was started. And during the Second World War, what he did, the Jews were being killed in Nazis Germany. So large number of Jewish people, they were being killed during the Second World War. And if you see in this figure, Hitler's behaviors with the undesirable. So who were the undesirable? Gypsies, Jews, and colored people. Means see his treatment was he was very cruel and inhuman. Hitler used many processes to kill Jews, like if you see, he sent them to the concentration camp and gas chamber. You can see right hand side gas chamber where people were being poisoned, and started many other programs for killing, example euthanasia. Still children, you can see this gas chamber is in Auschwitz. Moreover, people who were living in ghettos or in the concentration camp, their condition had become worse and miserable, pathetic. You can see and judge from this figure. Actually, Hitler believed in pseudo-scientific theories of the race which said the conversion was no solution to the Jewish problem. It had to solve through the total elimination of the undesirable. Means he was ready to kill all undesirable people in his country, Germany. For this, he adopted the policies of segregation and displayed publicly things like in public places. You can see so how he publicly made special announcement. If you read first point, park benches announces only for RNs, means here only RNs people can sit. Colored people, they were not allowed to sit. Second, if you see, the sign declares that the North Sea bathing resort is free of Jews, means Jews were not allowed to enter here. And under the shadow of war, as you all know, Second World War was started from 1939. So what the Nazi did, the Nazi proceeded to their murderous and the racial ideal to establish the racial utopia. For this, to eliminate Jews, means to kill Jews, gypsies and the black people. So they were being sent to the concentration camp. And this figure you are seeing, this is the freight cars, and it was used, and this is one of the freight cars used to deport Jews to the death chamber. And you will be surprised, in this freight car there was no washroom, there was no window, and these freight cars were used to carry animals only. And see how mercilessly these Jews were being carried in these freight cars for mass killing to the concentration camp. This is startled truth, means unbelievable truth, that during Hitler regimes nearly 6 million Jews, 1 million Polish civilians were being killed in the concentration camp. You are seeing concentration camp. It will be clear from the images. And if you see first point or top figure, left hand side, many peoples were being killed while trying to escape from this concentration camp, because the camps were enclosed with the live wires. Live wire means an electric wire through which there is a flow of electric current, and you can see one person is being trapped in the electric wire. If you see in second, after their death means before they buried, their clothes were taken out, and you can see piles of clothes. You can see piles of clothes outside the gas chamber. And if you see last two figures, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, concentration chambers. These chambers were also known as death factories. Also, actually, Jews from Jews' houses, from concentration camp, from ghettos, from different part of the Europe were brought to this death factories, or you can say concentration camp. And from freed cars they were being brought. See, children, the mass killing or genocide took place within 20 minutes with scientific exactness. It is being said that the 11 lakh people were killed in Auschwitz only. After Second World War, when people visited to the concentration camp, nothing was left, only scattered clothes, shoes, dead bodies in the ghetto. And it is said near about 200 half deadly alive people were found among these dead bodies. So now children, I do hope the story of Hitler brutality, how he used his power in dismantling democracy and killing of innocent European people who had not committed any crime, but still they starved and were killed mercilessly. Still, in the history of Germany, Hitler Party is considered as a big black spot to their country. So this is what the story of Hitler's ideology and about killing centers or about death factories. Till next video, take care, be safe and be happy.